Assalamualaikum. Dear students, how have you been today? Fine, I'm also fine. I would like to introduce myself. I'm Major Sultan, assistant teacher, Bhaikandi School and College, Fulpur, Mymensingh. Dear learners, it's a football, isn't it? It isn't an apple, is it? Could you tell me today's topic? Raise your hand. Who want to say?
Me.
Okay, today's topic?
Tag question.
Tag question. Very good. Today we are going to discuss with you about tag question. Okay? Dear learners, today we are going to discuss tag question. Okay? At the end of this lesson, students will be able to identify tag questions, explain the tag questions and its structure, and create a tag question. Okay? What is the tag question? Questions tag are short questions at the end of statements. Dear learners, your father can speak English. You are a student. He is very busy. And so, questions tag are short questions at the end of a statement. So what do I use? Use the auxiliary or the modal verb and the subject pronoun of this statement. Your father can speak English. This is statement. You are a student. This is statement. He is very busy. All are statement. And we take short questions, mini questions. Look, your father can speak English. Okay? Can't he? Can't he? You are a student. You are a student. Aren't you? Aren't you? He is very busy. Isn't he? This is tag questions. This is tag questions. This is tag questions. Look here. Your father can speak, can't he? You are a student. And you? He is very busy, isn't he? This is pronoun. You, pronoun. He, pronoun. And we adding modal verb or auxiliary verb. Can, this is here can, you are, aren't you, he is, this is auxiliary verb. We use after comma, we use auxiliary verb, be verb. All time we use be verb. If here be verb, there we add be verb. Are, am, is, are, was, were, etc. And modal verb. Okay? Dear students, dear learners, When the statement is positive, we make a negative questions. When the statement, your father can speak English, this is positive statement. When we find positive statement, then we can make negative tag question. Negative tag question. When we make negative statement, we make positive tag question. Okay, look here. She didn't finish her homework. She didn't finish her homework. This is negative statement. This is negative statement. Then we make positive tag question. Look, then we add comma, this is negative, we make positive tag question. She didn't finish her homework, did she? Okay, all that we add interrogative sign when we make tag question. Okay, look here, if we find there are positive tag question, positive statement, we add negative tag question. When we find negative statement, we add positive tag question. Okay, dear learners, when we create tag question, then we look, there are some voice changes. Okay, such as, dear learners, tag question actually get someone to agree with you and confirmation. What you say, okay, you try to understand your voice tone. It's called actually tag questions get someone to agree with you and confirmation, and your tone voice is rising or down. Okay, and there are two type of intonation. There are two type of intonation. Look here, intonation. One is rising intonation and falling intonation. Look, you are a student, aren't you? This is rising intonation. You like, dear learners, of many times we find there are no main verb. You like ice cream, don't you? There is no auxiliary verb, main verb. So we use do verb. We can help do verb. Okay, and she didn't finish her homework. This is past tense. We use past form all time. Okay, so we say it is very important when you talk with others and you try to understand your opinion, then you use your voice tone, rising and falling intonation. when you get your answer is 70% sure, then intonation is rising. And when you get 100% sure, then your intonation is falling. Okay? Do you like ice cream? Meaning same. You like ice cream, don't you? Don't you? You like ice cream, don't you? This is falling. And you like ice cream, don't you? This is rising intonation. Okay? Dear learners, if you speak well, you need learn tag questions. Okay? And its structure is very easy. First, if your statement is positive, tag question negative. If your statement is negative, tag question positive. Okay? And you all time you use, after statement you use comma, then at tag question, finish tag question, you adding interrogative sign. Okay? Dear learners, no more today. Bye.